Oh yeah. What about when you have a little bit bigger tires, probably? Well, I mean, Penrose with that on. You think we'd be better off buying this?
Dude, I'll ride any roller coaster in the world, but that's freaking scary.
Yeah, if they kick him right out, we have to better start running.
I know, I'm like, maybe I should move, because if he starts rolling or something.
Going. There it is. Beautiful.
Woohoo!
I feel like I need to put my head.
Freaking awesome.
Down, right, down. I wonder if this thing wasn't sliding out, why that thing wouldn't turn. Oh no, that wasn't down. Definitely, let's try to get some rocks. I want some rocks. Get on that rock. Some people pay extra to have it sit on their door. So you should remember that.
It'll strap you done with it. Now, tell him to cut some slack on the wind. Cut some slack. Out.
I just heard it popping. I'm like, ah!